Hi guys, welcome back. Now we are going to see the third question of TNPSC Aptitude. If Abdul is coded as 0304062314, then Sita will be coded as, so this is your third question of your aptitude. Now Abdul, A, B, D, U, L, right? Totally 5 letters. So 0304062314, right? So A is coded as 03, B is coded as 04, then C is 5, D is 6, and it goes on up to 28 as Z, right? This is arrived with respect to the question that is being given, that is 0304062314. They are asking what is the code for Sita. Just look upon this table where S stands for 21, then I stands for 11, then T stands for 22, and A stands for 03. Sita is coded as 21, 11, 22, 03 as per the number table shown over here, right? So Abdul, right? A is your starting letter. It doesn't mean that it should be 1, right? As per your given question, the code value changes. With respect to the code value, the question that has been asked, that is the word Sita is your question, right? What is the code for Sita? So that changes with respect to this code table, right? So Sita is coded as 21, 11, 22, 03 as per the number table shown before. Thank you.